So dear, here we will test the cube root of a number without calculation. This is the question number 3 of exercise 7.2, and question is given that 1331. Without calculation, tells what is the cube root of this number. So first of all, for this I want to tell you that ones place digit after cubing of a number. So 1 का क्यूब करेंगे, then you will get the 1 in the ones place. 2 का क्यूब करेंगे, then you will get 8 in the ones place. 3 का क्यूब करेंगे, then you will get 27 and ones place digit is 7. And 4 का क्यूब करेंगे 64 and ones place digit is 4. 5 का क्यूब करेंगे तो 125 and ones place digit is 5. 6 का क्यूब करेंगे तो 216 and the ones place digit is 6. 7 का क्यूब to 343 and ones place digit is 3. 8 का क्यूब करेंगे तो 512 and ones place digit is 2. And after that 9 का क्यूब करेंगे तो 729 and the ones place digit is 9. So here is only 4 point to remember that 2, 8, 3, 7 and just reciprocal 7, 3, 8, 2 and other are same 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9, 1, 1. केवल क्या याद रखना है
2, 3, 4 and 7.
हाँ 2 क्यूब ऑफ 2 is 8, क्यूब ऑफ 3 is 27. नहीं भी याद रहेगा तो ये फाइंड कर लोगे. याद क्या रखना है 7 का याद नहीं रहता है, 8 का याद नहीं रहता. So ones place digit is 3 and ones place digit is 2. Very nice. Now come to the point. What is the steps? You write this number h in two parts. There are, you divide the numbers in two parts. In the first part you write compulsorily 3 digit, that is 331, and the remaining digit you will write in the second part. So you will write here 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
These 3 digit you will write compulsorily in this part, and remaining either 1 digit, either 2 digit, either 3 digit, either 4 digit, either 5 digit, either 6 digit, everything into the second part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now cube of 1 is you know, cube root of 1 is you know 1. Very nice. And here is ones place digit is 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't see whole number. You see only ones place digit, and ones place digit is here 1. So you will write only 1 here. Means that cube root of 1331 equal to 11. Into the same way, we will calculate the 4913. 4913, the cube of this number. Dear, try to understand everyone. Very nice. You will divide this number in 4 parts. In the first part you will write compulsorily 3 digits, that is 9, 13, and the remaining you will write in the second part. So 4.
Sir, 4, sir.
4, this cube root of 4 you not know. This 4 is lies between the cube of 1 and the cube of 2. Cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 1 is 1. But 8 is so largest number from 4.
Yes, sir.
4 से 8 बहुत बड़ा है, छोड़ दो. You will take the smallest number. Always smallest number. You know all the question. Smallest number लेना है तो what is this? 1. You will write here 1. Okay. And you observe the ones place digit only 3. Where is the ones place digit 3? This. So the number should be
7.
correct. It means under cube root of 4913 is 17. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I want to tell one more for clear the concept. So here is the next question.
12, 1, 6, 7.
I want to largest number, that is 32768. 32768. The cube root of this number without calculation. So how can you divide this all the digits in two parts. In first part you will write 3 digits only, that is 768, and the remaining digit you will write in the second part jitne bhi ho all, that is 32. Yes, of course. So dear, 32, you can see that 32 just lies between the cube of 3 and the cube of 4, because cube of 3 is 27 and cube of 4 is 64. 64 is so largest number from 32. You will take only the smallest number. So what? 3. You will write here 3 and the ones place digit is 8. Clear? So see here, where is 8?
2.
It should be 2. You will write here 2. Means cube root of this number, that is the largest number, 32768 is 32. Yes, this is the answer of this question. So for this process you can tell cube root of so largest number without calculating, but it should be a perfect cube number. It should be a perfect cube number. Without perfect cube number, non-perfect cube number, you cannot find this method. Clear?
Yes, sir.